Hello students, welcome to Learn with Igcse Academy. In today's video, we are going to solve the paper Pearson Excel IGCSE November 2024. The paper code is 4MA1 1H higher type. Okay, so this will be your first page of your question paper. They will give you some instruction in this on this first page. Second page will be a formula sheet. In this formula sheet, they will give you the formulas of arithmetic series, area of trapezium, quadratic equation, trigonometry, and volume. Means those who are very important formulas, they will mention all formulas in this formula sheet. So let's start today's paper. This is your question number 1. In question number 1, what they have mentioned? The table shows some information about the hourly rates of pay of 60 workers. They have given you interval and the frequency. Okay. The question is, write down the model class. We have to find the model class. Okay, we have to find the interval. So while finding the model class, you have to consider the highest frequency. You can see here the highest frequency in this table is 18. So its model class will be first interval, that is 10 is less than p, and p is less than is equal to 15. Just write down this model class, or just write down this interval. You will get 1 marks. This question A is for 1 mark only. Now in question number B, the question is work out an estimate for the mean hourly rate of pay of the 60 workers. Okay, so to find the mean hourly rate of 60 workers, what you have to do, initially you have to find the midpoints of these intervals. Like the first interval is 10 to 15, so the midpoint of 10 and 15 will be 12.5. Similar, the midpoint of second interval will be 15 and 20 will be 17.5. Third interval will be 22.5, fourth will be 27.5, and last will be 32.5. So initially what you have to do, you have to find the midpoints of all the intervals. Okay, next you have to multiply these two values, means mid value and frequency. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just showing here. You have to show every step here while solving the paper. So 18 times 12.5, and you have to add these terms. Okay, second frequency is here 16, so 16 times 17.5 plus 14 times 22.5 plus 8 times 27.5 and plus 4 times 32.5. What I've done here, I've just multiply all frequencies with mid values. Okay, so you have to show the working of every steps here. Okay, after simplifying this in calculator, you will get final answer will be 1170. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the mean hourly rate of 60 workers. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, you have to just divide 1170 by 60. Okay, so when you will divide 1170 by 60, you will get 19.5 as the answer. So the mean hourly rate of 60 workers will be $19.5. Okay, $19.5. You have to show all the steps. When you will show all the steps, you will get 4 marks. Remember this question is for 4 marks. Okay, let's move to the second question. In second question, what you have to do here in question number 2, use ruler and compass only to construct the bisector. We have to construct the bisector of triangle ABC, angle ABC. Okay, and you have to show all your construction lines. Okay, so while drawing this bisector, what you have to do, you have to consider this point B. Okay, you can show here, you can see here the given point is B here, right? You have to consider AB line first. Okay, this will be your half distance. You have to consider more than half distance. Remember this. Okay, while drawing a bisector, always consider, and same distance you have to consider on another line also, means this line BC. Okay, what you have to do first, you have to consider more than half distance on both the lines. Okay, and that distance should be same on both the lines. Now from this point, what you have to do, you have to draw a curve like this by using compass. Again from this point, draw another curve like this. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just join these 2 points like this. This will be the bisector. Okay, this will be the bisector of ABC. Just you have to show this construction lines. Okay, you will get 2 marks. Okay, I hope this question is clear. Okay, always remember this. You have to consider more than half distance of both the lines. Okay, and that distance should be same. That distance should be same, means if this one is x, then this will also be the same distance. Okay, remember this. Draw this, you will get 2 marks. Okay, now question number 3. Simplify. They have given one equation or one simple equation. Okay, you have to just find the value of this. So we have one property. This is the law of indices, a to the power m to the power n. Okay, when a raised to m raised to n is given, we always multiply these two powers, means a raised to m times n, right? So what you have to do here, p raised to 3 times 5. Okay, you have to multiply these two powers. So the answer will be p raised to 15. So the answer will be p raised to 15. You have to just write down p raised to 15, you will get 1 marks. But if you will write this property, your impression will be good. Okay, so whenever, if you have time, much time, then just write down reference formula also. Now in question number 3b, you have to expand and simplify these 3 brackets. Okay, so what we'll do first, initially I'm multiplying 2n in first bracket. So 2n into 4n will become 2 times 4 will be 8, and n into n will be n square, plus 2n times 3 will be 6n. Okay, plus now I'm multiplying by n in second bracket. So n times n will be n square, minus n times 4 will be 4n. Okay, initially multiply both the terms which are outside the brackets, and then now you have to equate the similar terms. Now you can see here 8n square and n square I can take in first bracket, and plus n terms I can take in second bracket, 6n minus 4n. So 8n square plus n square will become 9n square, and plus 6n minus 4n will become 2n. Okay, so your final answer will be 9n square plus 2n. Just show these two steps, you will get 2 marks. Okay, for this answer you will get 1 mark, and for this step you will get 1 mark. Means 1 mark here and 1 mark for this answer. So you will get 2 marks here. Okay, now question number 3c. You have to solve this equation and you have to find the value of x. Okay, so what we'll do first here, initially I'm writing the same equation first. 2x plus 5 over 3 is equal to 4 minus x. What I'm doing, I'm just multiply 3 both sides. I multiply 3 both sides. So here you will get 2x plus 5. 3 get cancelled on left hand side. On right hand side you will get 3 times 4 minus x. Right? Now 2x plus 5 will be as it is. Multiply 3 inside, so you will get 3 times 4 will be 12, and minus 3x. 3 times x will be 3x. Now I had to eliminate this 3x. What I am doing, I am just adding 3x both sides. Adding 3x both sides. Always remember, whenever you solve any questions, you have to show every step. Okay, because for steps you will get marks. You are going to get marks. Okay, remember this. So 2x plus 3x plus 5 is equal to, you will get only 12, plus 3x minus 3x on right hand side will get cancelled. So 2x plus 3x will become 5x plus 5 is equal to 12. Now subtract 5 both sides, so you will get 5x is equal to 12 minus 5. 5x is equal to 12 minus 5x. So 5x is equal to, you will get 7. 5x is equal to, you will get 7. And after this, divide 5 both sides. Okay, if you divide 5 both sides, you will get 5x over 5 is equal to 7 over 5. So 5 get cancelled, so you will get x is equal to 7 over 5. Okay, remember this, to remove this fraction you will get 1 marks. Okay, and to simplify this term also you will get 1 marks, and finally to divide this or to, for the correct answer you will get 1 marks. This question is for 3 marks. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Question number 3c. Let's move to the question number 4. In question number 4, they have given one Venn diagram. Okay, and from Venn diagram you have to solve some questions like question number A, question number 4a. List the members of set B. List the members of set B only they have mentioned, right? So B means what? B means you can see here this circle. Okay, only this circle you have to consider. Okay, so you can see here 2, 5, 3 and 7. These 4 elements are only in set B. Okay, so what you have to write down? You have to write like this: 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, always try to write answers values in ascending order. It's not compulsory, but it's look good. Okay, now in B, what I have mentioned, list the numbers of set A intersection B. Intersection B means what? Intersection means common. Remember this. Okay, common part means this part. Common part means this part. So you can see here 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are common in A and B. So the answer will be 3 comma 7. Okay, and finally list the numbers of set A dash. A dash means what? Except A everything means this we don't want this. Okay, we don't want this A. Okay, so the remaining will be 5, 2 and these 3 numbers also. Okay, you have to just accept A, you have to just eliminate A. So A dash will be 2, the values of the numbers of 8 set A dash will be 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Okay, these numbers will be in set A dash. Okay, I hope all 3 questions of question number 4 are clear. Okay, you no need to solve like this. Okay, I'm just showing this for your understanding. Okay, in exam you no need to do anything like this. Okay, you no need to do, no need to uh, distract the main questions. Okay, you have to just write down the numbers only. Okay, like this. Now in question number 5, they have given one diagram and diagram of cylinder. Okay, the diagram shows a cylinder whose height they have given 18 centimeter and radius they have given 70 centimeter, right? The question is, the radius of the cylinder is 70 centimeter, the height of the cylinder is 18 centimeter. Okay, work out the volume of the cylinder. Okay, where to find the volume of the cylinder? So the volume of cylinder, initially what you will do first, initially you have to write down the formula of volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Okay, so the value of pi we know that 3.147 or 22 over 7 also you can write. So 3.147 into r already we have put here 70 square times h means height also we have 18, right? So what you have to do, you have to just multiply these 3 terms. Okay, so if I'm putting all these values means 3.147 in calculator, so 3.147 times 70 square times 18. I'm just putting all this value in calculator into 18. So you will get 277,565.4. Okay, 0.4 centimeter cube. Okay, volume always be write in centimeter cube form. This will be your volume. But what they have mentioned, give your answer in the liters, correct to the nearest liter. Okay, we have to convert this into volume into liter, right? So what you have to do, the volume is equal to, you have to just write down this value and you have to divide this value by 1000 to convert into liter. Okay, if I divide this term by 1000, you will get 277 liter. Okay, so this will be your final answer. Okay, so write down this formula first. Okay, then put all this value in formula. Okay, then divide it by 100 and for the final answer you will get 1 mark. You will get 1 mark. This question is for 4 marks. You can see here this question is for 4 marks, so the answer is 277 liters. Okay, so to get 4 marks, what you have to do, you have to show every step. You have to initially write down the given formula, even you have to write down given terms first, means radius and height also. Okay, then write down formula, put all values in that formulas, just multiply all values in calculator, show every step to get all marks. Okay, now in question number 6, we have to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. We have to find highest common factor of A, B and C points, right? This question is for 2 marks. So what we'll do, initially I'm just writing the points, means A is equal to 2 raised to 3 times 5 raised to 4 times 7 times 11. B points they have given 2 square times 5 square times 7 square. C is again 2 square times 5 cube times 7 raised to 4. Therefore, the highest common factor means what? We have to consider common values in all 3 points A, B, C. So you can see here 2 square is common. Here also, here we have 2 cube. So 2 square we can easily take common. In B and C also 2 square term is there. So initially I'm writing 2 square times 5. 5 square is here. 5 cube means 5 square also included here. 5 raised to 4 means also 5 square is included. So minimum value will be 5 square and times 7. In A we have only 7 point, in B we have 7 square, so 7 is already included. Similarly in C we have 7 raised to 4, so 7 is already included in C also. So only 7 you have to consider. Okay, you have to consider least value. Remember 11 point is only in A point. In B and C there is no any 11 point, right? So no need to consider that 11 point. So now multiplied, so 2 square will be 4, then 5 square will be 25 and then 7. So 25 times 4 will be 100 times 7. So the answer is 700. So the HCF of point A, B, C will be 700. Okay, this question is only for 2 marks, so you have to just show 2 steps. Okay, final answer should be right. Remember this. Okay, final answer should be right. I hope this question also is clear. Let's move to the question number 7. Let's move to question number 7. In question number 7, what they have mentioned, shop A and shop B have offers for buying the same type of laptop. The normal price of laptop in shop A is different than in shop B. Which shop gives, you can see here the question, which shop gives more money off to the normal price? That is you have to find, right? So what you have to do first, initially we have to find the how much value they are giving off. Okay, so for shop A, the normal price is 475. Okay, into 16%. So 16% means what? 100 minus 16 will be 84, right? So what I'm finding, 84% means 475 divided by 84 by 100%, we have to find, right? Into 0.84, so we'll get 399, right? So 475 actual price, if I subtract this, okay, so we'll get 76. So 76 rupee euro they are giving off to get laptop in shop A, right? But for shop B, what they have mentioned, read this question carefully. Get 15% off of our normal price, only pay 408. Okay, they have given direct value, right? So what you have to do first, 15% means what you have to do, you have to initially divide it by 85. Okay, 85 means 100 minus 15 will be 85, right? So you will get, or simply 0.85 also you can consider, means 408 divided by 0.85, so you will get 480. So this is your actual value, 480. And for 480, how much they are giving discount? They are giving 0.15, right? They are giving 0.15. So 480 into 0.85, what I'm considering 0.85 I'm considering, okay, instead of 0.15. 0.85 I multiply, so you will get, okay, no need to consider 0.85, 0.15 I'm considering, into 0.15, so you will get 72 euro. So you can see here, in shop A, on selling every laptop, they are giving 76 euro off. on every laptop. But in shop B, they are giving only 72 euro off on every laptop, right? So which shop, the question is, which shop gives more money off their normal price, right? So I will write shop A is giving more of, that is 76, right? 76 euro they are giving off on getting or buying every laptop. Okay, so you have to just mention finally shop A is giving more off on every laptop, selling every laptop. Okay, now question number 8. In question number 8, you have to factorize the given quadratic equation. Okay, so we know that while factorizing any equation, what we do, we consider middle term as addition and last term as a multiplication. So we have to find two values. We have to find two values whose multiplication is minus 24 and addition is 5. So 8 and minus 3. You can see here, if I multiply 8 and minus 3 will get 24, and if I add same terms 8 and minus 3 will get positive 5, right? So what you have to do, you have to just write down in this way, x square plus, you have to just split 5x into 8x minus 3x, okay, and minus 24 will be as it is. What I have done here, I just split the middle term. 5x you can write as 8x minus 3x, okay. Now from first two terms I am taking x common, so in bracket will get x and plus 8. From remaining two terms I am taking minus 3 common, so in bracket will get again from minus 3x I am taking x common, so remaining term will be x, and from minus 24 if I am taking minus 3 common, the remaining term will be plus 8. Now you can see here again x plus 8 is common here, right? So I'm taking x plus 8 common from these two factors, so in bracket you will get from first half will get x and from second half will get minus 3. So the factors of the given quadratic equations are x plus 8 and x minus 3. Okay, always remember you have to show every step to how to find factors. Okay, to find the factors of every quadratic equation you have to show in this way only. Okay, so the factors are x plus 8 and x minus 3. Okay, we have to solve also, means you have to find the values of x also. So the factors of these equations, we know that x plus 8 and x minus 3 put here equal to 0. So either x plus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the first value of x will be, if I move plus 8 on right hand side it will become minus 8, or if I move minus 3 on right hand side it will become plus 3. So the value of x are minus 8 and 3. Okay, minus 8 and 3. In question number B, we have to solve inequality. We have to solve inequality of given equation. Okay, so we know that initially I am just writing the equation 3y plus 5 is greater than 7y minus 10. Okay, so what I am doing first, I am just removing this 3y first, so you will get 5 is greater than 7y minus 3y minus 10. What I did here, I have just subtract 3y both side. Okay, so 5 is greater than 3y minus 4y will be 4y and minus 10, right? 7y minus 3y will be 4y. Now add 10 both sides, so you will get 15 is greater than 4y. Okay, and after this what you have to do, you have to divide by 4. If I divide by 4 we'll get 15 by 4 is greater than y. Okay, 15 by 4 is greater than y. So we have to just write down in this way, or simply y is less than 15 by 4. Okay, so you have to show every step properly, means initially here also you have to just write down subtract 3y. Okay, subtract 3y first. Initially we eliminate 3y, then we eliminate 10, and finally we divide by 4. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Write down the given standard form into ordinary form. You have to write down the given standard form means 8.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 into ordinary form. So what we do, we just move this decimal on left hand side. So 0.10 to the minus 5 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and 8, 4. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just move decimal on left hand side, okay, till 5 points. Okay, so this will be your ordinary number of given standard number means 0.000084. Okay, that's it, you will get 1 mark. Now in question number B, what you have to do, you have to multiply two standard forms, right? You have to multiply two standard forms. So what I'm doing first, I'm just writing these two numbers. First one is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 40 times 8 into 10 to the power 185. So what you have to do initially, you have to multiply 6.5 and 8 first. Okay, if I multiply 6.5 and 8, will get 52. Will get 52 into 10 to the power minus 40 into 10 to the power 185. Okay, keep it as it is. Now what I am doing, 52 into, we know that if both the terms have same base, we can simply add their powers, add or subtract, right? So here 180 minus 45, 180 minus 45 will be 145 you will get. Okay, then we have to write down this in standard form. So standard form will be 5.2 into 10 to the power, you have to just move one decimal on right hand side. So 145 plus 1 will become 146. Okay, so your final answer will be 5.2 times 10 to the power 146. Okay, for this answer you will get 1 mark. Okay, and for this step calculation you will get 1 mark. This question is for 2 marks. Okay, so this will be your final answer. I hope question number 9 is clear. It's a very simple topic, ordinary form and standard form. You have to just focus on decimal points. Remember this, to solve this kind of question you have to focus on decimals. Okay, question number 10. They have given two similar triangles, right? And where to find the value of x, the values of x. So to solve this question, where to find initially scale factor. Before finding scale factor, what I am doing, initially I am finding this value. Okay, initially I am finding this value. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square means right properly is consider triangle ED and F. EF square means hypotenuse square is equal to ED square plus DF square. Okay, so EF square means 51 square is equal to ED square and plus DF square means 24 square. So simply ED square is equal to, I'm just moving this 24 square on right hand side, so we'll get 51 square minus 24 square, or simply ED square is equal to, ED is equal to, just take square root. So in square root you will get 51 square minus 24 square, right? So if you will simplify this, you will get ED is equal to in root 51 square, that is 2601, minus 24 square, that is 576. So ED is equal to in root 2025, and after taking square root you will get ED is equal to 45. ED is equal to 45. So this value, the value of ED, you will get 45. Okay. So initially we have find the value of ED first. Okay, now what I am doing, I am finding scale factor. I am considering two triangles, so the scale factor is equal to, I can use two vertical lines, whether it is ED or DE upon AB. Okay, upon AB, DE upon AB. So scale factor will be D, we have just find 45, upon AB we have 7.5, right? So the scale factor will be 6. 45 over 7.5 will be 6. Okay, In similar way, now you have to consider AC and DF bottom lines. You have to consider these two lines and compare with scale factor. So I'm again applying same formula. So the scale factor is equal to AC over DF. Scale factor is equal to okay, I'm considering largest value here first, means not AC, DF over AC. So the scale factor is 6 is equal to DF, we have 24, and over AC we have to find, AC means this value, right? AC means this value, that is you have to find X, right? So I'm just multiplying both sides by X, so you will get X is equal to 24 over 6. X is equal to 24 over 6, that is 4. X is equal to, you will get 4 centimeter. 24 by 6 will be 4 centimeter. So by using scale factor, you can easily find, if they are given two triangles, you can easily find any side of triangle. Okay, I hope this question is clear. And students, this will be our last question. Okay, I'm just going to solve half question paper today. In next video we are going to solve remaining half questions, don't worry. Okay, so in question number 11, complete the table values of y is equal to, they have given one equation. Okay, they have given all values of x. You can see here in table they have given all values of x. We have to find initially, we have to complete the table first. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to initially put x is equal to 0.5 in this equation. Okay, if I put x is equal to 0.5, I will show you one value, it's 2 in bracket 0.5 plus 1 over 0.5, that is 2 in bracket 0.5 plus 1 over 0.5 will be 2, right? So 2 into 2.5, that is 5. So the first value of y will be 5. Okay, in this way you can easily find, or if you have calculator, you have to just put this value one by one. So now what I'm doing, I'm putting x equal to 1, so you will get y is equal to 4. Next we have to put x is equal to 4, you will get y is equal to 8.5. okay, next you have to put x is equal to 5, you will get 10.4. okay, so in this way you can easily find all values. You have to just put all x values in y equation. Okay, just complete this table, you will get 2 marks. Okay, just complete this table, you will get 2 marks here. Okay, and now we have to show the graph. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just plot these values, means 0.5 here, 0.5 and 5. Okay, so this will be your x values and this will be your y values. So for 0.5 means 0.5 will come here, 0.5 and 5 means your first point will be like this one. Second one 1 4 means this will be our 1 4 point. What I'm doing, this is our point A, B, C, D, E, F and G. I'm just giving them. Okay, and this will be our point A, point B. Now point C 2 5, so x is 2 and y is 5 means this one. This will be our point C. Next 3 6.7, x 3 and y 6.7, so it will come somewhere here. Okay, this will be our point D. Point E 4 8.5, x 4 and y is 8.5 means it will come somewhere here. E point. F 5 and 10.4, 5 and 10.4, this will be your F point. And last 6 and 12.3, so 6 and 12.3, this will be your G point. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just join this point like this. If you will connect, it will look like this. Okay, so this will be your y is equal to 2 into x into 1 plus x curve. You have to just plot all points and you have to just connect these points, you will get 2 marks. Okay, so I hope students, this half question paper means all, we have just finished this half question paper. Remaining half question paper I'm going to solve in next video. But this 11 questions, I hope all questions are clear to you. To get more updates of our videos, just subscribe our channel so that you will get notification of our next videos. And I'm going to try to solve more question papers for you on this platform. Okay, so see you in next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.